This was not in the plan. It's massive, it's absolutely huge. Oh my gosh. I've just driven 2 hours for this, but oh my gosh, it looks so worth it. Yes, lads! Oh my.
Yeah. That was.
Look at that! This is like flyable in the rain.
Pretty much. Yeah, that's it.
Have you dived that yet?
Yeah,
Oh, I've done the worst thing. I've got the drone stuck on the roof.
Are you going to try?
Look.
Someone's at, oh, okay, so this is the way.
It's done that. Jeez.
What a handy little rope.
Okay. So that was the easy bit.
Yeah, I mean...
Take that off. Can you catch this?
Yeah. You're going to go through the hole?
I don't know. It looks like somebody has. Fucking hell. This was not in the plan.
See you later.
Matt?
I can hear him like there. Matt! Matt! Stop it! You're scaring me now.
Matt? Is it slippery? Oh, he's got it.
What?
He's fucking got it.
Nutter. Watch out for nails.
Oh my god. How do I get myself in these situations? Jeez. GoPro was rolling. It's a good job that I didn't keep turtle mode because that water is like
Really?
a beautiful bit of water. There's things swimming around in it.
Like fish up there.
Like, I did wonder for a second, but it's like water boatman. Oh, thank goodness.
Well done.
Crazy. It's absolutely hammering it down. Big thunderstorm. Don't know if you can see that, but it's chucking it down. You can still fly. Like, look at all this indoor space. Like, all the most fun stuff to fly, still flyable, even though it's... Can you hear the thunder? It's really atmospheric.
Sorry.
It's good for me. Got both quads in. Woo! Nearly mid-air, yeah.
God, you guys are close. We were there.
Yeah, we practiced.
Coming round.
You go across the top of the roof. Where are you going back?
Going in this metal.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'm getting some signal lights here.
Oh damn. Now to the left, right? Slightly left and then in the... And then we're going to dip down a little.
Yeah.
Go a bit faster if you can, Adam. Got you both
I've got
now.
one of you in front of me. There you are. That's cool.
Alright, so we're looking again.
You still inside?
Yeah.
Oh, I lost you both.
Okay, you see us? We're on the right. We're on the right, high up-ish, going through the beams.
Doesn't these down.
Yeah, I can't see you.
Okay.
You just carry on.
Yeah, I don't want to lose this shot, but like, we're in the middle of the beams right now, right in front of us, halfway up. We've got to do the dive again.
You want me?
Yeah. Go.
Which one do you know? Oh, that one. Yeah.
Oh, I slapped the freaking ground, man. Damn.
I'm going to come in and take that one.
Damn. Okay, we're heading to... Yes, that's where we're going. Yeah, you're in front of us now, Tom.
Do you dive the middle one? Yeah. Okay. So you go to the bottom and walk out.
Woohoo! Yeah. Oh.
That looks amazing.
Is that it? Are we going some more?
Do it again.
Wait, you going again? Oh, hang on, guys. Wait for me. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Do the dive again, guys.
Okay, I'm at the dive now.
But please don't hit me, I'm at the bottom.
I'm above you.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah?
Go.
Oh, that was cool. Can do it again.
You got one more in you?
Yeah. Well, I've got probably loads on this pack.
You ready?
Yeah.
I'm ready.
One, two, three.
That was the closest one yet.
And again.
If you keep, lad, do something else cool. Oh, I'm orbiting you. Just do something else. Might as well keep it going. Do it again if you want.
Do it again.
I'm up. Ready when you are.
1, 2, 3.
That place was absolutely incredible. The light is absolutely amazing now. Kind of wish I had some packs. Yeah, and we're going home.